Hi there, young mathematicians. I'm happy you're here for math today. Today we're going to be comparing numbers just by looking at the numeral. That means just by looking at the written number. For this, you're going to need your number cards from your math workbook. Let me show you how I cut them out. You might want to have a grown-up help you with this part. Once they're all cut out, you should have a big thing of cards. Let's mix them up a little bit. Good. Then collect them into one neat pile. And turn them face down so you can't see. The first thing we're going to do is pick two cards. I'll show you first. Make sure it's facing the right way. Okay, I have the number 8 and the number 12. Which is more? One strategy I can use is counting out loud. And I can see which number comes first and which number comes second. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 8 came first when we counted. 12 came second. That means 12 is more than 8. We could also figure this out by looking on a number line. You have a number line inside your math book in the reference section. Let's see. Here's the number 8. Here is the number 12. 12 is more than 8. How many more? Let's just jump. 8 to 9 is 1. 2, 3, 4. 4 jumps. Or we could count. Ready? Let's count up from 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If we start at 8 and count to 12, we can figure out how many numbers are in between. 4. 12 is 4 more than 8. If this was confusing to you, you could get out some of your cubes and try and figure it out that way. Watch. If I lay out 12 cubes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then I match it with 8 marbles, giving them baddies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 marbles, 12 cubes. How many more cubes than marbles? 1, 2, 3, 4. 12 is 4 more than 8. You can use all the strategies. Let's review. We have counting up, where we start at 8 and see how many more numbers before we get to 12. We have using a number line and looking at how many number jumps in between 8 and 12. We also can use manipulatives, cubes and marbles, to help us see it with our eyes and touch it with our fingers. Are you ready to do another one? Good. Me too. 13, 7. Which is more? Which is less? Or are they the same? That's right. 13 is more than 7. Let's go through our strategies to figure out how we know. We might know because we counted up. Ready? Do it with me. Let's start at 7 and see how many more numbers until we get to 13. Ready? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers in between. We could also look at our number line. Ready? Let's start at 7 and jump to 13. We jump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 jumps get us from 7 to 13. Remember, when you're jumping, you should jump to each little dash or each number numeral. The last way we can know is by using manipulatives. Watch, let me get out 13 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now let's give 7 marbles and make them have buddies. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look, they're 1 to 1. 5, 6, 7. What's the difference? There are 6 cubes left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 13 is 6 more than 7. The difference is 6. Can you try one without me? Which one is more? How do you know? What is the difference? How many more? How many less? That's right. 5 is more than 4. You know because 5 comes after 4 when you count. 5 comes after 4 on the number line. How many more? What's the difference? The difference is 1. Did you get it? What strategy did you use? Did you use counting up like this? 4, 5. Oh, 1 number in between. The difference is 1. Maybe you use your number line. There's 4. There's 5. 1 jump. The difference is 1. Maybe you got out your cubes and you said 4 cubes . 5 marbles. 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 marbles. What's the difference? The difference is 1. There is 1 marble without a buddy. There is one more marble than cubes. 5 is one more than 4. Pause now to do your math homework. Pausa ahora para hacer tu tarea de matemáticas. Today's math homework is, la tarea de matemáticas de hoy es, use your number cards to compare two numerals and find the difference. How many more? How many less? You can use any strategy you want. Counting up, number line, or manipulatives. That means cubes and marbles. Usa tus tarjetas numéricas para comparar dos números y encontrar la diferencia. ¿Cuántos más? ¿Cuántos menos? Puede usar cualquier estrategia que desee. Conteo, línea numérica